Booking and confirming an appointment. Hello, I'd like to book a haircut. Hello, I'd like to book a haircut.
Sure, what day and time work for you? Sure, what day and time work for you?
Tomorrow at 10 a.m. Tomorrow at 10 a.m.
Let me check. Yes, we're free at 10. Let me check. Yes, we're free at 10.
Perfect, my name is Alex. Perfect, my name is Alex.
Got it, Alex. See you tomorrow. Got it, Alex. See you tomorrow.
How long will the appointment take? How long will the appointment take?
Around 30 minutes. Around 30 minutes.
Great, can I pay by card? Great, can I pay by card?
Yes, we accept all cards. Yes, we accept all cards.
Describing the haircut you want. Hi, I'd like a haircut, please. Hi, I'd like a haircut, please.
Sure, how would you like it? Sure, how would you like it?
Short on the sides and just a little off the top. Short on the sides and just a little off the top.
Okay, do you want me to trim the back as well? Okay, do you want me to trim the back as well?
Yes, but not too short. Just clean it up. Yes, but not too short. Just clean it up.
Got it. Got it.
Can you also trim around the ears? Can you also trim around the ears?
Of course. And would you like me to use scissors or clippers? Of course. And would you like me to use scissors or clippers?
Clippers are fine. Clippers are fine.
All right, I'll start now. Let me know if you want any changes. All right, I'll start now. Let me know if you want any changes.
Talking during the haircut.
Is the length okay so far? Is the length okay so far?
A little shorter on the sides, please. A little shorter on the sides, please.
No problem. No problem.
It feels nice already. It feels nice already.
Let me know if anything feels uncomfortable. Let me know if anything feels uncomfortable.
Everything's good, thank you. Everything's good, thank you. Asking about hair products. Can you recommend a shampoo for dry hair? Can you recommend a shampoo for dry hair?
Yes, this one is very good for dry and damaged hair. Yes, this one is very good for dry and damaged hair.
Do you also have something for hair loss? Do you also have something for hair loss?
We have a special tonic for that. We have a special tonic for that.
Great, I'll take both. Great, I'll take both.
Would you like to try a sample first? Would you like to try a sample first?
Yes, that would be helpful. Yes, that would be helpful.
You can also use this conditioner twice a week. You can also use this conditioner twice a week.
Thanks, I'll give it a try. Thanks, I'll give it a try.
You're welcome. Let me know if you have any questions. You're welcome. Let me know if you have any questions.
Choose the sentence in the present continuous tense. A. I cut my hair now. B. I am cutting my hair now. C. I cuts my hair now. D. I am cut my hair now. What is the correct way to offer help politely? A. I help you with that. B. You want help? C. Can I help you? D. Help I can you. Which sentence uses the correct future form? A. I will come tomorrow at 10. B. I coming tomorrow at 10. C. I will coming tomorrow at 10. D. I come will tomorrow at 10. Choose the correct use of comparatives. A. Make it more short, please. B. Make it short more, please. C. Make it shorter, please. D. Make it shorter, please. D. Make it more shorter, please. Which sentence is in the passive voice? A. She's cutting my hair. B. I cut her hair. C. My hair is being cut. D. He cut my hair.